Hey guys, Technomy here, and this is the Lenovo Ideapad 130, which is a mid-range priced laptop with mid-range specs. Let's unbox it. First thing is the paperwork. This is the charger, I guess. Let's put it aside, and here it is, the laptop itself. It does not feel that heavy. Yeah, of course, it has the plastic build. And these are the only things that you get inside the box, that is the laptop and its charger. Let's take a look at the charger. First of all, it is very small in footprint, and one thing I noticed is that the cable is thin and not too long, which is kind of bad. You get pre-installed Windows 10 with this. Now let's take a detailed overview of the laptop, which I have already set up. So this is a 14-inch laptop with all plastic body and compact design. It has got matte finish all over. It is powered by Intel Core i5 8th Gen processor with 4GB RAM and no graphics card. Since it is very compact, there is no number pad on the keyboard. Trackpad is of medium size, not too small or not too large, which is good. Let's boot it up and see what it is all about. This has got a 720p HD LED display, which looks great. Trackpad feels sensitive and smooth. Display is of anti-glare type, so you will not get any reflections from it, which is good for the viewing angles. Now let's see what are the ports, all of which are on the left side of the device. First one is the charging slot. Next is Ethernet port, followed up by full-size HDMI port, and then two USB 3.0 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a SD card slot. This laptop does not have a CD drive. From outside it feels so compact, and it has got texture all over it, which is nice and feels good. It weighs around 2 kg. Its form factor is also thin overall with tapered edges. That's all in the unboxing and overview of this laptop. So thanks for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.